Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to export your project from GarageBand as MP3. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you do not have it already. If you do not have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with recording our music. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the live loop section where we can get started with recording loops, or we have the tracks option where we can go ahead and play instruments, get started with our recordings, and so on. So basically, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and access your recording and your song that you want to export. So you have your audio recorder option right here that you can use for recording. At the top of the screen, you have the big red circle that's going to enable you to record your music. And guys, once you're ready and finished to export your music, after you have finished your recordings, you want to go ahead and go right here into the upper left corner to this arrow pointing downwards. So click on the arrow, and this is now going to enable you to select clean or songs. You want to go ahead and select your songs. If you want to export a song, it's now going to go ahead and see your GarageBand recents. Where are all of your projects? You want to go ahead and select the project that you want to export. So here is my project guys, as you can see, and what you want to do is go ahead and long hold it. Tap on it, long hold it, which is going to open up this new menu of all the options that you can access, and one of the options is going to be called share. So you want to go ahead and click on share, and as you can see guys, now we can go ahead and select what we want to export. It is a project, ringtone, or a song. You can tap to send this song as a stereo or audio file. So click on song, you can select the quality that you want to use, you can enter in all the info such as the option, who is the singer, and so on, and you can click on share. And after clicking on share, you can now select who you want to share it to, or you can just go ahead and save it to files. So you have the option to save it to files right here, and that is how to export it with MP3 to be able to use later. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.